Let's look at the spiral learning model used in NextREADY to map your journey towards mastery. Where are you in your learning? Your position in space is defined by 3 coordinates. In math, we call them X, Y, and Z. In our learning model, we call them depth of knowledge, performance quality, and experience level. You move forward in experience. You move up in task use or depth of knowledge. And you move out into the world with mastery in terms of performance quality. So as we go around the spiral, our gains in experience are clockwise. At the beginning level is new to me. A concept or skill or competency you don't know very much about, but you do know that it represents something that's going to help you get past a barrier. The next level is awareness. You might know all about this competency, but it's something that you've never done. For competencies you have examples of, you're working at the examples level. And at the highest level, we have coaching. At each level, the depth of knowledge appears. Let's see what the 4 levels are. The recall level at the very beginning is where you could define or identify a skill set. And skills and concepts are where you actually could do the very basics. Strategic thinking is where you can begin applying what you know to solve problems. And extended thinking is where you can do that over time and across domains, across different areas, the way you combine competencies into skill sets. So if your entry level is 1, experience level 1, new to me, here's how depth of knowledge is going to play out. If you already have awareness of what you're trying to do, it plays out like this. The same 4 operations are available at each of these levels. And at the awareness level, you're progressing along depth of knowledge so that you can build that example at the next level. At the examples level, you're again applying what you know in ways that matter in real life. And at the coaching level, you've done it so often and so well that people can rely upon you to help them understand how to progress and help them accelerate their progress. What we're describing is a process that happens in nature. In this nautilus shell, every time the creature needs to grow, it breaks through and creates a new layer. And in terms of your learning, where you are in this cycle is going to allow you to see what you need to do next and be able to provide evidence of your mastery. Finally, the most important is gains in performance quality, moving outward from the center of your entry point. Your first project might have so many problems with it, it's better to just start over. Or there might be 1 or 2 problems, which if you fix them, it would then become that strong example. At the highest level, we have the best ever. But you may notice that that's only available in half of the spiral. The reason is there's a line, and on one side of the line, we're developing proficiency, while on the other side, we're moving towards mastery. The first 2 levels, new to me and awareness, are where you're developing proficiency. And at the examples and coaching level, you're demonstrating mastery. That's our spiral learning design, and that's how we use it in NextREADY. Thanks a lot.